Muddy makes working on engineering projects simple. It brings together all the resources we depend on and all the people who are working together. Let's take a look. In this project, we're working on a new mobile app for Muddy. We're launching it pretty soon, and we're trying to get things started. So we've got the message to start the project and actual specifications and the PRD that we're working with. In this case, I didn't actually have to open up a link to start using the PRD right away. It's next to the message. I can start using the comments. This is an integration. It's the actual Notion doc used. It makes it really easy to go through material. So as I keep scrolling, I can see the Figma file that we're using, the linear base with all the issues. And what makes it really fun is when we're working on specific tickets or specific PRs, they're loaded up automatically. So if I need to do anything, like update something, I'm just doing it inside of the message. I didn't have to blow up the link, go through my browser, and find the right tab. Another workflow that I really find useful is when we're approving and updating statuses and PRs, or when we need to go through specific points in code together. Muddy has this cool feature called comments. I can actually reference specific material inside of any website or any app that we use and start a conversation. It's kind of like if Slack threads could point to anywhere on the internet. If I jump around, it'll actually just take me to the right place and open up the right resource automatically. Muddy also makes it really easy to start working with material that people send me. So when Jimmy sends me this specific Sentry ticket, I actually get the Sentry incident right inside of his message as well. And once again, I can just blow it up if I need more space and start using it like a normal tab. Muddy makes it really easy to stay organized while working with others. What Muddy's going to do here is actually work through all of my messages and all the context inside of the tabs and update its categorization depending on what it thinks I need to do. So it's got the resources up here, issue tracking down here, PR is down here. And that's also ranked by what I'm actually specifically doing. And since I'm managing this project, this is the best organization for me. Every single person on the team will have their own setup. It also makes it really easy to stay in the shared environment, but do the things I need to do. So for example, I don't want anyone looking at my calendar or my email, but I can still open those tabs while still in the shared environment. And if there's ever a tab that I actually want anyone else to look at, I can open it up, hit a shortcut, or click this button. It's ready for everyone to use as well. Since all of our projects happen inside of Muddy, Muddy's able to help me look through all of our projects and answer questions. So if I ask Muddy, design files we've had for Muddy groups, which is a specific feature inside of Muddy. It's going to go through, understand the question, look through all of our files, and start answering the question, but with specific references to inside of the files that matter to me. So it actually went through these Figma files and did its best to find the file that it thinks is the most important for me.